I have gone to Wonderla like 2 to 3 times, and I have always found the rides to be very boring. I feel like Wonderla is made for kids.
Yeah, look at my dumb face thinking Wonderla was made for kids. Because I'm gonna be proven so wrong. Because in this video, we're gonna be testing out Wonderla Chennai, starting from land rides to all the water rides, testing every single one. Just to prove it to you guys, is Wonderla Chennai really packing the punch? Is it just like all the other boring amusement parks in India? It's not gonna be easy because the first day looked something like this. So it's really just a matter of time if we come out safe or not.
So I am on a different idea today. You can see Sigma over there, but I'm gonna count the times Sigma says "Gaan fat gayi" in the video.
ये मेरी फील्डिंग सेट कर रहा था.
It's a pretty healthy environment in my opinion out here. Like everything is being built, but inside it feels like a very happy environment. There's a mascot, there's a lot of things. I'll show it to you guys once we go in, but you can see there are like entry points, ticket zones, and like stuff to buy. So keeping the challenge in mind, the secret challenge, I won't tell him.
Sigma says gone for the video.
But let's see what happens. Okay.
Thank you.
Instant hit. ठीक है. Thank you.
So guys, we got the map. ये की होगा.
Instant hit. There is a scanner, which I don't know if it exists in BGP or MGM. Initial experience, impressions, जो भी हो. All the people are very sweet, and I think because of yesterday they really want to maintain the what do you call it, the word of mouth, and due to that, first impressions are very nice, very sick. It's better than any amusement park in Chennai, that's for sure. This is the map, and इस map के हिसाब से हम पहले high thrill rides जो कि ये है वो वहाँ जाएंगे क्योंकि that makes sense, and then land rides, and then kids rides नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि
Obviously, बच्चे थोड़ी ना हैं.
और फिर उसके बाद water, और फिर ये क्या है, high thrill water rides are also there. So
Water
that
rides हम second half में plan कर सकते हैं. 'Cause land rides, I mainly want to go on the inverted roller coaster because it's the first one in India, and plus this is the largest Wonderla in India. So देखते हैं कितना time लगेगा. We'll actually time it if possible. First one, land rides are what?
right now the time is 11:30.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Technically we'll get into our first ride at 11:45. So तब से we are going to high thrill rides first.
Okay.
Let's go. He's back. Secret challenge is still on. Let's.
क्या करवाएगा क्या?
Right, watch it drop.
यहाँ पर.
यही.
हाँ.
Okay. I'm holding to this camera for dear life. We're already leaving ground and we're making all the way up till there, and let's see how it faces. You can see the entire landscape of the park. You can see Sigma in the corner as well, and you can see the entire landscape of the park. Oh fuck! This is even getting me to be anxious. I think we are at the top almost. Don't look down. Let's see. Okay, we are at the top. This is the view. I'm scared. I'm low-key scared.
Oh god, that was good. That was good. Fucking hell.
Whoa! Whoa! Starting.
Ride to freestyle.
ये खुल रहा है. Yeah, that's what it looks very. I mean technically ये बस झूला है, but we have to see कि मतलब कैसे चलता है. Okay, ये मेरा शॉट है. This guy told me to record myself. I'm not really a big fan because मेरे expressions कुछ भी हो सकते हैं क्योंकि मैं एक झूले पे हूँ. I hate this already. झूला मैं चल झूला कैसे ऐसे. अरे मदर चोद. अरे बैठा दिया. Fuck. 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 His whole shot was just him holding on to dear life and पटरी थी. You can see बहुत पटरी थी. Oh, the maximum point which you reach is insane, and I reached that like 10 times I think. Yeah. Looks like an issue with the ride or something. हम बैठे हुए हैं तब से अभी तक राइड शुरू नहीं हुआ.
Okay, let's start.
Starting now. Yeah. So we thought it was a good start until something happened. Looks like
So अब कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अब उसमें बैठते हैं ना, please. That
okay,
thing
बैठ जाते हैं.
looks like shit, but it does a lot to
I
your
mean, like,
intestines.
this was there in the Kovalam beach का local मेला.
Pirate ship.
Estimated that ride, and he lost
No,
it.
नहीं, that ride I underestimated because I never went on that. ये तो गया हूँ, so I just know for a fact.
Let's see. The people are incoming more. The rides are fuller now compared to when we went.
I've been on this. It'll just play with your stomach. Experience थोड़ा अच्छा होता है. Not really crazy. It'll go completely back and then-
My head.
Yeah, this is why I told. I don't really want to go on rides which play with your head a lot. कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है. अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Also, this is the first ride we are with our glasses,
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
so it's not that.
So here's an update. After we finished the pirate ship and we were walking back, we saw this ambulance going towards the ride which had stopped before in between, due to which we had to leave that ride. And we don't know what happened. We just saw some guy lying down there and we just hope he's alright.
Ride 4 Tanjore.
You can see that is Sigma. I think he's in. Yes, he's in, and he's going into the inverted ride.
Okay, so I was just asking about the roller coaster thing. apparently it goes above 100 km/h. So ये camera मेरा नहीं है obviously. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be taking the camera with me or not.
Sigma just called me and he said he's not taking the action camera with him. I don't know how I feel about that because the whole point of this whole park for him was to take the one ride which he would like, and he is going on the ride right now. So he is up there. He just told me to record. मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पे ये खाते हुए. Like you can see, I have all the belongings.
It was my first time handling such a costly camera, and my friend had given me the water mount, which is kind of slippery to handle, so I just didn't want to take the risk at such high speeds.
I have no idea where he is. I think that is him in the corner. Sigma भी आएगा. भाग क्या रहा है बोलेगा चल. You have to be in there. I've eaten so much. How was it?
That is the most fun thing I've ever done in my life, and if you're not going on that, you're missing out. Trust me. I'm gonna go for another shot. It's so cool. It's so cool. I feel so fucking unfortunate. I left my camera there. This is the best ride I've ever been on my life. I mean, like, just look at this, guys. I'm not joking. I just think ये एक ride has given me the shit I was expecting for my money. This is what makes Wonderla Chennai stand out of the others. We are done with the land rides currently. Now it's time for the water rides. I'm gonna get relaxed a bit. It's too much worked up. I spun in the air like 3 to 4 times, man. Oh my god. What was the hidden challenge, by the way? तू तब से बोला जा रहा था.
Hidden challenge थोड़ा जल्दी खत्म हो गया.
कौन सा क्या था hidden challenge? At least tell now.
The hidden challenge was to make you scream फट रही है मेरी या कुछ. But
Why?
you only scream once in the entire video, and off camera you scream like 3 or 4 times just by looking at rides.
Yeah, because भाई.
So that was the hidden challenge. उसमें कुछ था.
Okay. I mean, like, देखो, the one swing thing जो ये यहाँ दिख रहा है, ये यहाँ पे, this one, okay, उस पे I thought, I did not expect, it was out of my expectations थोड़ा सा, तो उसमें इतनी सी फटी. उसके बाद भाई the big spin mill thing, that is not my thing. That I decided कि मैं उस पे पहले से ही नहीं जाऊँगा, because that is for out of crazy people. मेरे से तो नहीं होगा. I came specially for the inverted वाला roller coaster. But one thing, यहाँ पे कुछ themed restaurant नहीं है. I'm going crazy for food, ठीक है.
So this was their so-called Galaxy themed restaurant, which had the most normalest food which I would get on a food street for almost $600. So these were all the primary land rides. There are a few other smaller rides, and we wanted to do that before we moved on to the wet ones.
Yes, अभी करेंगे kids वाले rides. This is the most chill car, whatever it's called. Spot out. तो हम ये game खेल रहे हैं. We got this game.
Yeah, so this was the last time I saw this man happy, because we just went on a losing streak.
हाँ. Ready?
हाँ.
मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा ही सीन है.
I mean, हमारी पूरी अमानत हम वहाँ उस लॉकर, एक लॉकर और एक RFID टैग पे छोड़ के चल रहे हैं वाटर राइड्स में.
इसका 16 Pro and
Apple Watch.
2-3 दिन पहले खरीदा इस बंदे ने.
Ride 4. Wonder Splash.
Chill reactions.
I don't want to get wet. That's the whole point of this ride. And
You
I
don't say
want
the
to.
same in the bedroom.
No. Not with me. Not with me.
Exactly, that's what they're going to think.
Very tight. Oh, I the drop.
Ride 5, Tornado.
Camera is not allowed for this one particular ride. That's what I said. Bye. It's very slow at the start, but he went, and now he'll come off on the other side at the corner. Lal or yellow, either one of the two he'll come off. I think he's already out. Anyways, see you guys.
Ride 6, Drop Loop.
Another small update. Nimish is going on to वो वाला ride, whatever that is, ये वाला. So मैंने जा रहा कि I have to be taking care of the camera, taking the responsibility of it. So our direct ride will be probably that one. If you can see this one, वहाँ पे अगर camera allowed है तो लेके जाएंगे.
Yeah, I was not allowed.
भाई जा रहा है. I is going on. And he's gone. कैमरा तो अलाउड नहीं है तो yes. Fuck man. I really wanted the camera to be allowed, but obviously safety protocols.
Bhai, fuck, honestly, you go down there, you'll lose all your senses. I stopped breathing, I closed my eyes, I did everything I could in my this thing.
Okay.
Because the first thing was safety से ये ठीक है कि नहीं, क्योंकि literally फिसल रही है ज़मीन.
Obviously.
And I didn't know, open my eyes because obviously there's nothing to watch outside. But I feel like the other two rides will have like you opening your eyes and
Yeah, you will
it
be.
will affect your
It's completely
eyesight.
open. Yeah.
तो भाई last two rides guys, फिर उसके बाद हम अपने guilty pleasures के लिए वंडरला घूमेंगे.
We'll be traveling on these ones. जितना हो सकता है allowed record करेंगे because obviously
I don't think they'll allow to record.
I think they will. It's a big tube with double-sided seats with where you have one hand free. With the wave pool right now.
But I jumped.
ये सब तो ठीक है, but I was not gonna leave this man until
I forcefully strapped him on there. I made him go onto this ride.
Basically, I did the smart thing where I chose the heaviest ride on the last, and safe to say I saved the best for the last. Because honestly, if you are coming to Wonderla, come for this.
I told you.
Don't come for anything else.
after going on every single ride from all the water rides to all the land rides, we are finally here. Is Wonderla Chennai worth it or not?
Yes, it is. We agree on that. So the positive sides are the fact that it's a new age pura park.
Yeah.
So because of that, everything is electronic, everything is on that band which I might be wearing for half the video. And due to that, it's very very sick to see that things like that are being implemented. The ticket gets scanned on in the first entry point by a QR code scanner. That's a plus point. Like I've not seen places, I've seen places manually enter logs in at least Chennai for sake. Based on the rides, I would say it is very very worth it. It is mainly focused for that target demographic of children from 5 to 15. Because after 15 you wouldn't want to go to certain rides, and at the same time you wouldn't want to go to the adult rides as well. But when you are like in that 5 to 15 gap, you have the tendency of liking such a place. 6 hours and around 40-45 minutes we were inside the park. We got here at 11:10 I think we entered, and we are leaving right now at 6:15. You will get so much out of the each ride, out of each ride, you will get a lot in water section. Though the weights are high, I know, and it will get only higher because today is the second day. But in the future, it's going to be higher. Once the summer hits, it's going to be way more higher. But it's way worth compared to the land rides. The land rides are short and sweet, and because we went on a day where it wasn't hot, when there wasn't any rush, and there were less people on each of the rides, the land rides seemed worth it. So because of that, it's a good 6.5 out of 10.
And the staff was amazing. They
The
were very
staff,
well spoken. They were very kind. They were very supportive. The staff was
Even though
great.
some of them were untrained, some of them were very well trained,
Yeah.
and you could tell that, like in some certain safety related rides, it was clear for them to keep us safe as we are their customers, and we are very, very happy because of that.
And coming to the negative parts, like, okay, if you have already been to Wonderla, this won't feel like a new experience to you. If that is one negative, I would say, because the same rides are renamed with different names and just put up here. The same ride has similar versions. Like there's something called the G-Shock or whatever was it called?
G-Drop.
Yeah, G-Drop has 2 other similar versions in the park. Basically, on total, there are like only like 6 to 7 major rides, and that's basically it.
That is why the land rides are not that worth compared to
Yeah.
water rides.
So yeah, and one thing, there were outages and some rides did stop in between. So that was another issue. Coming to the food and all that,
It is decent. It's nothing
It's just
different.
normal. It's just normal.
And it's overpriced. Like I said when I
Yeah.
was recording while I was eating, it's heavily overpriced. But
Yeah.
it's an amusement park. They have to make their money back.
Yeah, at least give good food. Like, bhai, they just set up a buffet with all very, very general items. At least they could have, they put a theme to the restaurant and they just put Ambur biryani there and payasam.
6.5 out of 10 experience overall. It's a, like he said while leaving the park, it's a once in a year. I mean,
Not
आ
once
सकते
in
हो.
a life. आ सकते हो भाई, मतलब like you gone to Wonderla, you come here, after you finish it, you'll be like, फिर से आऊंगा तो फिर से यही करूंगा.
हाँ.
एक साल में तो obviously you guys won't come back. So it's probably another 1 or 2 years or later when you're gonna find time to spend a whole day here. Because if you're not spending a whole day here, it's not worth your money. If you ask me, it's worth the money, yes, but I'm not gonna be seeing this after for like a year or 2 until where it stands. It stands for me at a 6 out of 10 at best.
Feel like in a month or in 2 months or till the summer starts, it's not going to stay the same. Neither are the parkings, neither are the benefits we had for the first 2 days. They won't stay the same. So that is why there are 3.5 points minus. And that's been the review, that's been the video. I hope you liked it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I know these videos do very, very well. And I hope to see you in the next one or the next video on the next week or whenever we do post them.
Yes.
Happy 2 years to Double Bond, and thank you for subscribing and following since we started. Again, peace off.
Fuck off.
Like this video, YouTube thinks you like these too. Check them out. And DJI, please sponsor us.